Introducing digital signage with Payflex POS. Whether you're at the bar, at your favorite sandwich shop, or just perusing the local candy shop, digital signage fully integrates with your menu and provides and displays any catalog information that you would like to show. Digital signage helps eliminate the need of classic posters, erase boards, or even chalkboards. Additionally, you can see in the account in front of you that we are set up with something called dual pricing. As a result, my cash price is displayed as well as my card price. Digital signage has a lot of customization options. Whether you want to change the font size, font color, or font type, you also have the ability to have 3 different columns at your customizable disposal. Or, you can stick with something as simple as 1 or 2. Each column has 2 different options. It can either display your menu, or it can display a picture. In the example you see in front of you right now, we have 3 columns. The first one shows my burgers and salads. The second one shows the image and the logo of my restaurant. And the third column also shows a menu. Now, you can make as many different screens as you would like. For example, if I wanted to change the screen for this one, I can click on here, change it to drinks, and now it's going to display my drink catalog. Now, as I mentioned before, this is fully integrable. So, if I go in and I change the price of an item, then it's going to, once I refresh, automatically change here. Also, a thing you're seeing on your screen right now is, instead of just showing a single image, you can see here that I've got a slideshow that's displaying various different pictures that I want associated. Whether it gives an idea to the customer of the type of drinks that I can make, or it can just show off some of my food and menu items. Now, if I did need to make a change to an item price, once I make that change there in the back office portal, and then I refresh my screen, you can see my IPA here changed from $6 to $7. And that's a brief overview of digital signage with Payflex POS.